Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will cover the most important MCQs from Reach for the Top Part 1 Santosh Yadav for Class 9. I hope that this video will be very helpful for your exam. Okay, let's start. Class 9 Beehive JCERT Solutions. Reach for the Top Part 1 Santosh Yadav. MCQ 1. Who was the only woman who scaled Mount Everest? Twist. Answer Santosh Yadav. 2. Where was Santosh Yadav born? Answer Rewari district, Haryana. 3. What does Santosh mean? Answer contentment. 4. Why did Santosh leave home? Answer to get enrolled in a school in Delhi. 5. Where did Santosh take admission after passing high school? Answer Maharani College, Jaipur. 6. What kind of society was Santosh born in? Answer in rigid and gender-based society. 7. What did Santosh tell her parents about marriage? Answer she would never marry if she do not get proper education. 8. When did Santosh Yadav scale Mount Everest for the first time? Answer 1992. 9. Who is Santosh Yadav? Answer mountain climber and environmentalist. 10. Was Santosh always content? Answer ambitious. 11. What is considered the roof of the world? Answer top of Mount Everest. 12. Santosh was full of. Answer an iron will, physical endurance, mental toughness. 13. What does Santosh mean? Answer contentment. 14. What is the name of Santosh Yadav's village? Answer Joniavas. 15. What request blessing did the unborn child's grandmother make to the holy man? Answer blessings for a daughter. 16. Why was Santosh under pressure? Answer her parents were asking her to get married. 17. How much garbage did Santosh bring down from the Himalayas? Answer 500 kg. 18. Whom did Santosh save with artificial respiration? Answer Mohan Singh. 19. How did Santosh feel after reaching the top of the world? Answer it was a spiritual and proud moment. 20. What happened when Santosh scaled up the Mount Everest for the first time? Answer she became the youngest woman to achieve the success. 21. In what words did Santosh express her feeling at the summit of her Everest climb? Answer indescribable. 22. What kind of girl was Santosh? Answer hardworking and strong mind. 23. What did Santosh prefer to wear? Answer shorts. 24. Why was Santosh sent to a local school? Answer because of the prevailing trend. 25. This was the first woman to climb Mount Everest twice. Answer Santosh Yadav. 26. Santosh was a member of Indo-Des Women Expedition. Answer Nepalese. 27. Santosh had. Answer 5 brothers. 28. Santosh scaled Mount Everest at the age of. Answer 20. 29. When did Santosh leave for Delhi? Answer at the age of 16. 30. At what age did the girls get married in Santosh's village? Answer at the age of 16. 31. In which state was Santosh born? Answer Haryana. 32. From the beginning Santosh wanted to choose. Answer a correct and rational path. 33. How was Santosh's family condition? Answer affluent. 34. The credit to Santosh's birth goes to. Answer destiny. 35. For what did Santosh train herself in Uttarkasi? Answer mountaineering. 36. Santosh climbed Mount Everest time. Answer 2 times. 37. Santosh got without his enrolled in mountaineering without his dad's permission. Answer fathers. 38. Santosh climbing skill matured. Answer rapidly. 39. Santosh made a place in the days of fellow travelers? Answer, huts. 40. Which range of hills did Santosh explore with few mountaineers? Answer, Aravalli Hills. 41. After getting enrolled for mountaineering, Santosh went on an expedition. Answer, every year. 42. Santosh was born the dash child in the family. Answer, 6th. 43. Santosh's parents were? Answer, landowners. 44. Kasturba Hostel faced the? Answer, Aravalli Hills. 45. Santosh developed a remarkable assistance to? Answer, called an altitude. 46. Within days months, Santosh was a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition. Answer, 12. 47. Santosh unfurled the dash on reaching top of the world. Answer, Indian tricolor. 48. Sink in means? Answer, be understood. 49. When did Santosh get an opportunity to scale Mount Everest? Answer, 1992. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.